Oh my god. Hey you, and welcome to Beginner's Guide to Dermaplaning, where we're gonna transform this peach fuzz, okay, into a smooth base. Very demure, very mindful. Oh my god, get me off the internet. Okay, first step, wash your face. Come on. Okay, there's that. Next step, optional but encouraged. Face oil. This will help the blade glide, kind of like a shaving cream, and give your skin some protection from the elements. I also put this on afterwards. All right, I'm gonna do this out on the balcony. Come on. Okay, I have my little mirror set up. The sun is setting, so we gotta do this lickety split, but we got time, right? We got time. The sun will wait. Okay. Get yourself a dermaplaning blade. You can also use like a literal scalpel, which I have used and is good, but you're more likely to cut yourself. So best plane for the action for a beginner especially is more of like a safety blade type of thing. I'll link the one I'm using. Just any, like if you start dermaplaning, it'll come up. I like to start with my sideburns because they're very satisfying, so let's do it. Stretch the skin. The blade will always be at a 45-degree angle, so this is 0, this is 90 degrees, 45 degrees. You're going 45 degrees and you're doing, I do short strokes. I've heard different opinions on like long, but I go short. So I'm gonna pull the skin 45 degrees and kind of brush it off. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like, yes, this is why I'm doing this outside. It's so satisfying. So satisfying. Okay. Dermaplaning has a range of benefits, from just making your makeup look nicer to genuinely exfoliating your skin and giving your skin a fresh base. I typically work in to out, up to down, because that's the direction my hair grows. Be cautious around any pimples you have, because you don't want to just scrape the scab off. The scab is helpful. Keep your scabs moisturized, by the way. There is a common misconception that I believed until recently that like drying a wound out, letting it scab and be dry is more helpful. But like taking off the band-aid to air your wound out, it's good to keep the wound moisturized because then it actually helps the scab do its job. This, for me, is oil. You can also use like aloe vera. I would steer clear of cream moisturizers where you like don't understand the ingredients. Use very natural, simple stuff on your face and everywhere. Okay, eyebrows, just go with the natural shape. We don't do too much. We're very mindful, very demure. This is gonna age this video so much, me saying demure. I'm liking my eyebrows where they're at, so I'm gonna leave them. And just continue. Stretch and shave. So much fuzz coming off. It's so satisfying. I usually have little beard hairs too, but I just plucked them like a couple days ago, so sorry. But I got beard peach fuzz. Oh yeah. Also, I exfoliated last night. So my skin already has like a smooth starting point. Oh my god. If your skin is sensitive, definitely use the oil when you do this, and go very slow, because if your skin is sensitive, when my skin is sensitive, dermaplaning makes it turn bright red. Like, yeah. So just go slow with yourself. If it feels stingy, like, you don't have to do this. This is never necessary. But yeah, just be cautious if you have sensitive skin, or if you have dry, like super dry skin. This can help like flake some of the dry skin off, but it can also peel the dry skin off and then leave you with like raw, red, you know, what's the word? Like vulnerable skin. So I would steer clear of doing too much of this on dry or sensitive skin. I don't get too much hair on my forehead, so this part is pretty boring and quick for me, just near my eyebrows. And to get the hair off of it, I'm just swiping down. Like I'm swiping down to clean the blade off. And then I'm wiping it on my leg. So, very demure. If you're watching this video like years from now, you're gonna be like, oh my god, I remember that trend. And I don't go all the way to my sideburn. I kind of leave like this little triangle, so I just go like till here-ish. Is that right? Yeah. But I find it really satisfying to get like this like jawline area. And this should work on coarser facial hair too. Everyone has a different facial hair density, just like head hair. So this should work on all types of facial hair, as long as the blade's sharp, right? And there we go. Easy as that. I have a smooth, silky face. Oh my god, it's so nice. Alright, come here, we're gonna do a close-up. See that? No, you don't, because there's no hair. Silky, silky smooth. Cute. Okay, let's go into aftercare now. So, for aftercare, I'm just gonna splash my face with water and then put more of that oil on. And then in the next couple days, I'm not gonna exfoliate, I'm not gonna do too much, I'm not gonna put anything that I know would be irritating to my skin. So, little splashy splash, just to get all the little hairs off. Half dry. And more of that oil. One pump, not too much. We don't do too much, right? Oh my god. It's stuck in my head. Okay. And that's it. Now, anytime I do apply makeup, it's gonna be silky smooth for the next like 4 4 days or so. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.